Let's take a look at the Joby Gorillapod 5K setup and exactly what type of lenses it will hold and what we can do with it. In this example here with the Joby 5K, I've got it strapped to a fence with a small lens. And in this example here with the Joby 5K, you see me packing the 100mm macro lens on the Canon 80D while I'm actually taking photos of a very tiny fly that's actually sitting right in front of the lens. The Joby holds this 100mm Canon lens perfectly. It's not shaking, it's not moving, nothing. The Joby 5K is awesome for taking macro photography when you need to get down low to the ground and hold that lens in place. Joby 5K flexible tripod is holding the 100 by 400 lens fully extended L lens by Canon with no problems whatsoever. I actually left this lens for 30 minutes to see if anything would bend or move, and nothing. It stayed right in place the whole time. I even grabbed a couple photos of a neighbor's cat. I strapped the Joby 5K to an aluminum pole to see if it would slide. It didn't move at all. I was super impressed. Pick yourself up a Joby 5K. Links in the bottom. Catch you guys on the next one.